Let me tell you about Sarah. She owns a small online shop called Paws and Whiskers, selling handmade pet accessories. Sarah had a great product, but her business was struggling. She poured her hard-earned money into Google Ads, hoping to attract new customers. But nothing seemed to work. Her ads got a few clicks, but sales were flat. She felt like she was just throwing money into a black hole, watching it disappear with no return. It was frustrating, and she was close to giving up on digital advertising altogether. She knew people wanted her products, but she just couldn't seem to reach them online. Sarah's story is not unique. I see this all the time. Small business owners with incredible passion and fantastic products get lost in the complex world of online ads. They try to do everything right. They pick keywords they think their customers are searching for. They write ad copy that describes their amazing items. Yet the results are disappointing. The cost per click is too high, the right audience isn't seeing the ads, and the dream of a thriving online business starts to fade. This was Sarah's reality. She was spending hours every week trying to tweak her campaigns. But she was just guessing. Then, everything changed. Sarah heard about the new AI tools Google was rolling out in 2025. She was skeptical at first. The term AI sounded complicated and expensive, something for big corporations, not her little shop. But she decided to give it one last shot. She dove into Google's new features, specifically something called Performance Max. Instead of trying to manage dozens of campaigns herself, she let Google's AI take the wheel. The results were not just good, they were transformative. Her ads started reaching actual pet lovers who were ready to buy. Her sales didn't just grow, they exploded. Sarah's shop, Paws and Whiskers, is now a success story. She went from near failure to hiring her first employee. What was her secret? It wasn't a bigger budget or some hidden marketing trick, it was about embracing the change. She stopped fighting the system and started working with it. She used the power of AI to do the heavy lifting, freeing up her time to focus on what she does best, creating amazing products for pets. Her journey shows that with the right tools, any small business owner can turn their advertising struggles into a massive success. You can too. Forget everything you thought you knew about Google Ads. The platform you might have tried a year or two ago is not the same platform we have today in 2025. The game has completely changed. Before, running successful ads was a manual, time-consuming process. You had to be an expert in bidding, keyword research, and audience targeting. It was a full-time job in itself, one that most small business owners simply don't have time for. You had to constantly check your campaigns, make tiny adjustments, and hope you were making the right decisions based on confusing data reports. Today, Google Ads is powered by sophisticated artificial intelligence. Think of it as having your very own marketing genius working for you 24/7. This AI co-pilot is designed to do one thing: get you the best possible results for your budget. It analyzes millions of data points every second. It learns what your customers look for, what ad copy makes them click, and what images grab their attention. It's smarter and faster than any human marketing team could ever be. This isn't about replacing you. It's about empowering you to make better, faster, and more profitable decisions. So, what does this mean for you, the small shop owner? It means the playing field has been leveled. You no longer need a massive marketing budget or a team of experts to compete with the big brands. The AI does the complex work for you. It automates bidding, finds hidden customer segments you never would have thought of, and optimizes your ads across all of Google's channels. This includes search, YouTube, Gmail, and the display network. You provide the goals, and the AI builds the strategy to get you there efficiently. The biggest shift is from manual control to goal-oriented partnership. Your job is no longer to micromanage every little detail. Instead, your job is to tell the AI what you want to achieve. Do you want more online sales, more phone calls, more foot traffic to your physical store? You set the objective, provide the creative assets like text and images, and define your budget. The AI then takes these inputs and runs thousands of simulations to find the most effective path to success, constantly learning and improving as it goes. It's a smarter way to advertise. Let's talk about your new secret weapon, Performance Max. This is the ultimate all-in-one campaign type for small businesses. In the past, you had to create separate campaigns for search, display, and YouTube. It was a headache to manage. Performance Max, or PMax, simplifies everything. You create one single campaign, give it your assets, like headlines, descriptions, images, and videos, and tell it your conversion goal. From there, Google's AI takes over, automatically showing your ads across every single Google platform to find you the most valuable customers wherever they are. Think of PMax as your smartest employee. It doesn't just show ads randomly, it uses machine learning to understand user behavior and intent. It figures out which combination of your headline, image, and platform is most likely to lead to a sale for a specific user at a specific moment. For a local bakery, it might show a beautiful image ad to someone searching for birthday cakes near me on Google Maps, and a video ad on YouTube to someone who just watched a baking tutorial. It does all this complex targeting work for you, saving you countless hours. Now let's get into the next level, AI Max. This is a newer suite of features built right into Performance Max for 2025, and it's a game changer for creative and strategy. AI Max helps you generate brand new ad assets automatically. Struggling to write catchy headlines? AI Max will suggest several options based on your website and product descriptions. Don't have a professional photographer? It can create high-quality images from simple text prompts, helping your ads look polished and professional. It's like having a creative agency at your fingertips, without the high cost. The real power of these tools is how they work together to maximize your return on ad spend, or ROS. PMax finds the customers and AI Max ensures the ads they see are compelling and fresh. The system constantly tests different ad variations to see what works best, and then puts more of your budget towards the winners. This continuous optimization loop means your campaigns get smarter and more profitable over time. For a small business, this is huge. It means your ad budget isn't just being spent, it's being invested in a system that learns and grows with your business. Even with powerful AI, you are still the captain of the ship. One of the most important steering tools you have is negative keywords. This sounds technical, but the concept is simple. Negative keywords are terms you tell Google not to show your ads for. This is crucial for saving money and reaching the right people. For example, if you sell premium handmade leather wallets, you don't want your ads showing up for people searching for cheap plastic wallets or wallet repair. By adding cheap, plastic, and repair as negative keywords, you stop wasting money on clicks that will never convert. Think of it like putting up a velvet rope at a club. You are letting the right people in and keeping the wrong crowd out. The AI in Performance Max is smart, but it can't read your mind. You know your business and your customers better than anyone. Regularly check the search terms report in your Google Ads account. This report shows you the exact phrases people typed before clicking your ad. If you see irrelevant terms, add them to your negative keyword list immediately. This simple action refines your targeting and makes your AI copilot even more effective. Now for the fun part, creative magic with AI. The AI Max features are designed to solve a common problem for small businesses, a lack of high-quality creative assets. You might not have the budget for a video shoot or a graphic designer, and that's okay. You can now use AI to generate stunning visuals. For instance, if you sell artisanal coffee, you could use a text prompt like, "A steaming mug of black coffee on a rustic wooden table, morning light streaming through a window." The AI will generate a unique, professional-looking image you can use in your ads instantly. This technology also applies to your ad copy. Writing compelling headlines and descriptions is hard. AI can help you brainstorm and create multiple versions to test. It will analyze top-performing ads in your industry and generate text that is designed to convert. You can then review, edit, and approve the suggestions that best fit your brand's voice. This combination of human oversight and AI-powered creation is the key. You guide the strategy with things like negative keywords, and you use AI to create amazing ads that capture attention and drive sales. Ready to get started? Don't be intimidated. Here is a simple, step-by-step plan. First, log into your Google Ads account and start a new campaign. Choose sales as your objective and select Performance Max as your campaign type. This immediately puts the AI to work for your primary goal. Next, set a realistic daily budget. Start small, you can always increase it later as you see results. The key is to begin. Don't wait for perfection. Launch your campaign and let the AI start gathering data. This is the most critical step. Once your campaign is live, your job shifts from creator to supervisor. You need to give the AI at least 2 to 3 weeks to learn. This is called the learning phase. During this time, the system is testing thousands of variables to figure out what works. Avoid making major changes during this period. After the learning phase, start checking your campaign once or twice a week. Look at the key metrics. How many sales or conversions are you getting? What is your cost per sale? Are the search terms relevant? This is when you'll add negative keywords to fine-tune your targeting. Don't forget to feed the machine with fresh creative. Your audience can get tired of seeing the same ad over and over. Use the AI Max features to generate new images and headlines every month or so. This keeps your campaigns exciting and effective. Giving the PMax algorithm new assets to test is like giving a race car a new set of tires. It helps it perform at its peak. This process of launching, monitoring, and refreshing is what separates successful advertisers from those who fail. It's a continuous cycle of improvement. The world of digital advertising is moving faster than ever. Your competitors are either already using these AI tools or they will be soon. The advantage goes to those who act now. By embracing Google's AI features today, you are not just launching an ad campaign, you are building a powerful, automated customer acquisition machine. You are saving time, reducing wasted ad spend, and positioning your business for growth. So don't wait. Follow these steps, trust the process, and watch as AI turns your small shop into a thriving brand. Your success story starts now. If you want to learn more marketing and advertising tips from Digital Marketing All, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.